What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today is actually December 6th, and I don't know if you guys could hear it in my voice, but I actually got sick on day 3 of this journey. So that's why I didn't post for the last 3 days. But technically, today is day 6 of 31 days, 31 vlogs. And today we're actually working on the BRZ. I actually have something very special to put on this car today. So let me go grab it really quick. So like I said, you guys, we're doing something super special on the BRZ today. I just want to give a huge shout out to AWE for sending me out their touring edition catback exhaust. So we're actually going to be throwing this on today. And I got the touring because of the 180 technology, because I hate driving with drone. But yeah, guys, when I'm driving on the highway, I hear a lot of drone. So typically, it's just super you'll get used to it after you drive for a little bit, but at the beginning, it's just super annoying. So AWE actually has technology that eliminates all drone when you drive. So I'm gonna go ahead and test that out today, actually. I'm gonna go see. But yeah, guys, like I said, huge shout out to AWE for sending out their touring edition exhaust. Let's go install it. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and air up the car, and then we're gonna go jack it up. And I'm gonna get under the car and take off the old exhaust, and then just throw on the new AWE exhaust. I hope you guys are super excited, because I know I am. Camera's literally about to die, you guys, so I'm gonna go charge it really quick. But yeah, we got the resonator off, you guys. We're gonna go ahead, and it's about time to throw on the AWE exhaust. So yeah, guys, let's get to it. All right, like I told you guys earlier, we got the AWE touring exhaust. Like I said, I just want to say a huge shout out to AWE for sending me out this touring exhaust so I can go ahead and show you guys today what it sounds like and how the install process is. They actually have 2 exhaust tip options. I went with the chrome silver. I've seen a lot of people also do like the black, the diamond black, I think it's called. But I went the chrome silver just to match the polished lip on my wheels. All right, guys, this is gonna be a first start for the car. Let me air it out. You guys are about to hear it first. Alrighty, guys, there you have it. That is the AWE touring exhaust on the 2024 Subaru BRZ. Only took me 5 hours. It would have went faster if I could just get this clamp on. All right, guys, took a quick break. Before I show you guys some drive-bys, we're gonna go ahead and get some food at Santo Market really quick. If you guys don't know, Santo Market is probably one of the best poke spots in San Jose, next to Aloha Fresh. So we're gonna go get some poke really quick, and then I'll show you guys some driving clips. right, you guys, it's the next day, and we actually took the BRZ up to EV to go take some pictures. I also want to show you guys how the exhaust sounded. So, I mean, there's a little sound clip for you guys. It does pop. No drone when I drive. Shout out to AWE for sending me out their exhaust so I could put it on my BRZ. Their 180 technology and the resonators give no drone in the car. Literally when I'm driving at like 3K RPM, I can't hear anything. So, or if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And please, please, please don't forget to subscribe. But other than that, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.